reason why we're here together is because we are stronger together than we are as individuals. There is none of us that are smarter and better than all of us.
This is the information that every business owner, someone thinking about business, should be a part of. It is incredible. The services that they offer are something you would have to pay thousands of dollars for if you went to business school.
You don't get yourself out there to meet people and greet people and let people know who you are, sell yourself, you're not going to go as far as your potential really is going to allow you to be.
It is so important for you to have a mentor or someone to coach you, guide you, and help you as you begin to think about starting your business, even having a mentor to even just coach you along the way within your business.
One thing I always believe is you don't know what you don't know. So when you come, you always get some new information, especially talking about being an entrepreneur. Even if you're working somewhere, it's going to give you some tools that are going to help you grow not only professionally, but as personally. We're getting information that's going to impact not only just your family and yourself and your community, but can impact the world and impact people that are not even born yet.
They are definitely giving great information and preparing you to be a successful entrepreneur.
They want to empower you to have financial freedom in your future and just take control of your own future.
You can learn so many things and get so much from just being a part of this organization.
Let's continue this movement to empower each other and possibly impact the world by inspiring everybody that we come in contact with to thrive.